Back again with the SC500. This one has low runtime. And a little bit of a story on this one is we got the AGM batteries in here. And we just recently replaced one of them under warranty. And this one, in fact, this was the one. This is the original one from February. You can see it upside down, date code. I want to check those voltages too. But one thing I want to check and make sure nothing got messed with is one of our settings here that programs the charger. Keep clicking, click, battery type. Okay, 1 gel AGM. So we already have it set to 1, and that's where we need to be. I'm gonna exit out of there, and then I'm gonna check the voltage of the batteries individually to see if we lost any voltage. I checked both battery voltages and they're only off by about less than ½ volt, which is good. And here's our total voltage here, and I'm just gonna get an idea of what they're talking about. If I can detect a bad voltage drop, I'm gonna look towards, at this point, the charger. And I've seen chargers actually have little to no output, and it's not even reporting. So let's go ahead and get this started. Try to do this in a small room, but so what we're burning off here is a surface charge initially. And we're still high. These are two 12-volt batteries, but we're kind of stabilizing here. And it may take some time. Now we're down to 25.2. What I'm going to do now is I'm turning off the water. I got enough on the floor as it is, so here we go again. It's not dropping terribly fast, but they're talking about only 40 minutes of runtime. One thing I want to check right now is the individual batteries here. I'm going to check this one here as we're running. That's what's going. Let's do these two. Okay, so roughly the same. see it's bouncing back. I can show you. So it's quite possible that we do have a problem with the onboard charger here. And if I can look at the alarm log, I may be able to see something, and I'll check that next. Okay, these ones that you see, we go back in the alarm log. G1 fuse failure. That's hard to tell what that is. And this is sometimes when the wheel starts slipping, when it's the floor is too wet and soapy. That can happen. Charger connection. That's something that has to do with the charger. It's a okay, this could be phase 2. That's something that phase 2, I believe there's 4 phases of charging, and it happens again. So there is something that's being seen by the controller it's not liking. So all right, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the charger more deeply. I want to see what we can do, put a new one in, see if the runtime improves.